The Find My iPhone feature can be used to help family or friends locate their Apple devices if they are part of a family sharing group or if they share their location with you through the Find My app. And here is how to set it up. Firstly, open the Find My app on your mobile device. Now, once inside Find My app, simply tap on the People tab in the bottom option available there. Now, once you tap on the People tab, you will get to see plus icon available in the top right corner of your screen. Now all you have to do is tap their name or simply enter their name and send them the permission to look for their location, and once they confirm it, you will be able to trace their location easily. So that is it. Firstly, ensure all devices have Find My iPhone enabled for anyone you are looking locations of. Also make sure that your location services are enabled, and in Find My app set up notifications to know when a friend or family members arrives or leaves a locations. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.